Ay, noon ako. Libre ako, ano?
Ako na.
Ice cream.
Hindi na princess ako na yan. Wala akong pirata.
Ay, nahabol.
Wala kita trabaho. Bughayo.
Ari, hindi siya naman magayon na. Bigla, ano si tayo dito ba?
Ano? Bumaka. Sabi mo nag-ibig siya. Bulusan. Wala siya siguro. Bulusan yung Barcelona guba. Bigas.
Belly! Thank you, Belly! Long time no here, Belly! Thank you. Hi, Goga. Thank you, Goga. Good evening. Thank you for something hearts. Belly Jamar. Hi, Belly Jamar. Hi, Jamar. Roberto Dubang. Ay, Roberto Lawrence. Hello, Cheryl. Hi, Roberto. Going outside. Ayun po. Thank you so much. Hi, Alvarez. Cheeks, cheeks. From Colombia. Hi, Madam Dennis. Good evening. Thank you. Hanggang lalaba pa hanggang ngayon. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Wait lang. Counting the days, yeah. Counting the days. 9 days. My goodness. Kinakabahan ako. I feel nervous ba? I need to prepare the paracetamol and the Biogesic. My goodness. Manuel. Hi, Manuel. I need to prepare the paracetamol. Need to be busy to distract the, the nervous. Excited but nervous. My goodness. Nay! My God, tomorrow 8 days to go. My God. No back out. Oh my goodness. Lalamig ako. I don't know what to do. How many years? My God! Hi, Mag. Hello, Salvador Flores. Hi. My God. Just play that song. You both love. Mag. Well, I already gave you. Thank you pa. What the song? What the song po? Hi, After Bali. Hi, After Bali. Kuya ga, paluwaya daw. Hello, After Bali. Kuya. The Chrissy, oh my God. Maybe when we met, the second day or the second night, third night, maybe play the song The Candle Liquor, something like that. My God! What should I do? Nah! It's driving me crazy. The song, my gulay. How are you, my girl? Hi, so where are you from? You are my sonsing. Sonsing. Kita sa aking my goodness. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you so much. What should I do? I'm fine, Salvador. Where are you from? Need to relax my mind. I overthink a lot. That's why I think when we meet, what should we do? My God! My goodness. Oh my God. The big and the tiny Cheryl. The big mic and the tiny Cheryl. My goodness. Wow, you're beautiful. Thank you, Salvador. Where are you from, Salvador? Na 8 days to go tomorrow. No, wait, I have a question. My goodness. Oh, what is that? How? Huh? How? Paano ba yun? Ay, wala ano. Hindi pa na pwede maglagay ng... Saan ba yun magkikita? Yung magsusulat sana. Hindi. Hi. Wow, you're beautiful. Thank you. Paano ba yan? Siyempre nakikita. Ay, siguro sa kabila. Wait lang. Ay, ang gabdan ang papel na insuratan ko kanina. Ano ba't ganito? Are you going to meet him? Yes po. I'm going to meet him at the airport. My God. I'm going to meet him at the airport. Yay! I don't know what. Ay! Kinakabahan ako. I feel nervous. Tigyan sa tigidig-digidig. Paano magsulat ba dito naman? Ay, hindi dito. Paano ba yan? Dating wala nga yan. Ay, no, my God. No. Oh, my God. Oh, my gulay. Ba't ganyan? Paano ako makabalik sa exit game? Paano ako makabalik sa exit game? My God. Ano ba yun? Naglaro na ako eh. Punta ako sa laro. My God. May nahanap kasi ako na ano eh. Hindi ko makita. Yung gusto kong makita. Na-nervyos na ako ah. May ano kasi, may nahanap ako na ano dito sa settings. Hindi ko maano. Na ano na ako, na mental block na ako. Hi Sir Steven Dackett. Hi, tutorial. Tutorial. Sir Steven. Oh. Dita. Scan ko na yung tabi. Dita ko na yun. Yes. Ano ba yun? Ayun. Ay. Huwag na nga lang. Lipstick na lang ako para maganda ako. I need to put the lipstick. That's why I feel beautiful. Eh wala. Walang effect. Red lipstick. Parang ay, pangit pa din. Kahit anong gawin mo, di na magbabago, ganun pa din ka. Naku, tinataman. My God. I need that in my feeling, and that's what it's about. That's what I want. Thank you so much. 10 million in the house. Hi, Jane. Janta OEA. Yeah, Janta. Hey, Janta. Where are you from? Janta. From Sri Lanka. Hi. Thank you for joining from Sri Lanka, Janta. Oswaldo Andre. Andrade. 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 I'm alright, I'm alright. My gulay. Good morning, my beautiful. How are you? I'm from Brazil, and you? I'm from the land of Philippines. The land of Philippines. I'm watching myself. That's why. My gulay. I'm confused. Okay. Don't wanna let her go. Some people wanna know, and I just never know. Everything means something. Philippines, land of beautiful woman. Oh, thank you, Oswaldo Andrade. Oswaldo Andrade, thank you so much. Thank you for the 18 people in the house. Thank you so much. How are you? Come and discover Brazil. You will love it. Every country have a wonderful place. So great. Thank you for inviting. Oh, sorry. You are beautiful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate uh, your compliments. Thank you. Something like down. And gabi ngayon kung sa luha tuwing nakikita kita. Jokoli boys. Jokoli boy. My goodness. I have to go, my darling. Kisses your heart and all the best to you. Thank you for joining Oswaldo from Brazil. God bless. Have a nice day. Nice day. Oh, yes. Nice day in Brazil. God bless. Good job. May muscle din. May muscle. Payat pero may muscle. No one can break the muscles. I'm a stronger artist. Lalaki, no? Malakas. Kahit payat, malakas. Ouch. Thank you sa likes. Mahal. Javier, you want? God to see you, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Robert. Thank you for joining, Sir Robert Lawrence. God bless. Hello, Robert Connie. Hi, where are you from? Robert Connie. I need to. US from US. Nice to meet you, Robert. Sir Robert Connie from US. Hey, have a nice have a nice day. USA. Pasumpa. You too. Thank you, Sir Robert Connie. Are you pure American? Well, I'm a truck driver. Okay. It's okay, Sir Robert Lawrence. That's the job is decent, and then ano ba to, ano, I don't know how to say it in English, but in Tagalog, marangal, decent job. I'm an American. I'm American. Okay, Sir Robert. Nice to meet you, Sir Robert. Join as Sir Vando. John Sir Vando, thanks so much for joining. We're from Sir John. Where are you from? Hi, Robert Connie. Hi, Robert Connie. I'm 54, divorced, no kids. Oh, why no kids? Oh. Pasumpa-sumpa ka ba sa akin? You look good. Thank you, Sir Robert Collins. Mm, 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 mm. Bakit ka iba? It's a child's bad relationship. Okay. Na sometimes not like happy at first in a relationship, but in the middle and then uh, mm, something different when lives longer together in the same house because not comfortable the moods, the attitude, the personality, the likes and dislikes, not compatible, the vibes. That's why it goes to failed relationship. Thank you so likes. I feel tired. I look tired. Oh my god. I'm looking to myself at the It's a choice, but related, yes. So, Why? Right, lack of communication, compatibility, loyalty are the key factors. Yes, the trust also. The trust, respect to each other. The communication is lack of communication is one of the important in a relationship. Good communication. Yeah, that's why. Pasumpa-sumpa ka pa sa akin. You want Robert Connie, what do you mean? Pasumpa-sumpa ka pa sa akin. Mhm. I recall. don't like that. Meow, 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 meow. 'Cause I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Can I hate you? Okay, you can hate me. Can I block you? I don't regret having kids, but as I got older, it won't be wise to have kids with a good partner. Yes, with a good partner. You look good. Oh, thank you, Sir Robert Connie. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, 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 oh. Thank you, Sir Robert. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Why you want me? You said, can you hit me? Then now you want me. Are you crazy? Crazy people. Take care, Cheryl. I have to get ready for work. Thank you, Sir Robert, for joining my live. Always, thank you. God bless, Sir Robert. Take care always. Have a nice day. Yes. Are you crazy, Robert? Connie? You're you're crazy one, huh? I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye, Robert, Connie. Hi, Jeff Kidell. Thank you. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. I'm fine, Sir Jeff. Thank you, Sir Jeff. I am fine. At sa bawat minta, gusto ko nang sumuko. Mamitiana Arabuang Initarana. Curtis Walter. And I look up at the sky, and I'm wondering why. I feel so happy. Wait lang, I need to kanta. Being lonely, Thank you for watching. Sheben Chen. Nananap ako ng song. Where is song? Right here waiting. Right here waiting for you. Right here waiting. Well. Angel Benitez. Oh, sorry. Niya kung ba't walang lyric. But it doesn't stop the pain. Fernando. Hi Fernando. Noko. Hi Noko. But can we say forever? Wherever you go. Fernando, where you from? Whatever you do, I will be waiting. Just stand up. I want to see your body. Okay, if you send me $1,000, I will stand up. Wrong, Annie. Can't you see it, baby? So you can check all the time, but it doesn't stop. Thank you, Ethan Million. I can't just see it, baby. Now that we go. I am from California, USA. Nice to meet you, Sir Fernando. Come on, you are. I had to find you, till you want me to, till you was there to above. Tell me your secrets and those new questions. Oh, it's Go back on the sun, running in circles, coming up tails. Next to Baja, California, Mexico. Nice to meet you too. Thank you, Sir Fernando. Thank you for joining. Since to born, nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be this hard. Thank you to something heart. Thank you. Sa nag-send ng heart, salamat, Mayor. Thank you so much to those who sending the hearts. Ouch. What a song. What a song, so I sing. Araw gabi. Perfect. Ay, tahanan. Tahanan. Yes, tahanan. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago. I want to sing the song. I love this. Yeah. But lurking. Beli ko ano. Good for the winning song. Later na lang. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Salamat sa nagsisimig ng heart. Thank you. Thank you to those who sending the hearts. Thank you so much. I'm watching myself, you know. I don't know why to say goodbye. I don't know why to say goodbye. Hi, buddy. Thank you for joining, buddy. Where are you from, buddy? Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yan. Thank you, 11 people in the house. Wow, wow, wow. Babang! You're welcome. I will be Virginia Beach, Virginia, US. Nice to meet you, buddy. Tahanan mo ako, di magpapa. Thank you to those who sending the hearts. Dadang! Ba. 1D1. 1D1, where you from? Ba. Where are you from, 1D1? Indonesia. Thank you for joining 1D1 from Indonesia. Ha, dudang. Dadadang. Ladudang. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. Buddy, why laughing? Hi. I'm raising. Dang, di dudong. Babang. Hello, come here, Babang. I sleep ka na? Kids in the background, yes. My niece. You going to sleep na, Dadang? My niece. Sleep well. Good night. Good night, Dadang. Yes, my niece. Tahanan mo ako, di magba. Thank you sa nag-likes. Pag huna ko may sleep ka na, Babang. Pag huna ko may sleep ka na. Sleep ka na. Wait. Pag huna ko may sleep ka na, my God. I have a visitor. Come here na. Oh, no. Say hi. Hello. You know how to play the piano. Oh, magpawaran. Paano ka nag-play? Wala yan. Ay, di na nag-ano. Ay, wait lang. Ay, wala na. Masaya. Marami battery yun. Lagayan mo ng battery. Yes, kids in the background. Hi, Marco the Bomb. Hello. Sir Marco the Bomb. Ding dong dang. Ding ding dong. It's so cold here. No, wrong. Ayan. Hello! Hi! Gab! Kan si Tito Gab? Where's Tito Gab? Ton. Din. Di ka na magluwas, din ka na. Uwi ka na kay mama, di ka na magluwas, ha? Kay may imumo dun sa luwas. Di magbabago yun. Tahanan mo. Ay, thank you sa nag-like. Salamat. Doon ka mag-sit ho. Doon ho mag-sit. Yan. O, doon ka mag-sit ho. Kaya para diri ka mahulog. Yan. Come on. Sit. Very good. Good job. Wow, so beautiful. Yay. Thank you for watching. Tahanan mo ako. Liba Taliba. Hi, Liba Taliba. Oh, no. My goodness. Never. I never entertain Liba Taliba like you here. No time. Wasting time. I didn't like you. No. Never. Thank you to those for someone sending the gift and the gift. The heart. Thank you so much. Ako di magbabago yun. Wish. That. Hello, how strong can you punch? How strong? You want to try? Can I try with you? In the hair.
Hi.
Hi, Aliu. Hello, Aliu. Punch me. Hey, it's Marco the Bomb. You want to try with you? Meg. Char lang. Haliba, wasn't Haliba, Haliba, Well, where will you punch me? Anywhere that like down, bang, bang. Bye bye. Take care. Go to mama. Where are you na? Bye bye, love ya. Ito na, sabi mo kay mama, magwiwi ka kasi. You know what, Migs? When I'm at grade school, I punch my boy classmates and he break her leg. Hayo lang young lady. Hi, James Christmas. Hi, James. Steven from $20 for you to beat me up. Just $20. Wasting time. No. Hi, Oliva Ovozier. Wasting just $20. It's wasting time. No. That he who is what it means. How much for you? $2,000. Yes, something like that. Well, what is your province? My province is Bicol, Philippines. I think, no, not Migs. You can't afford. Oh my goodness. Oh, pamakawin. I will give you all of my money. Punch me non-stop. You're my... Okay. You said it. Just give me all your money. But your money is just $20. No, wasting my time. Spicy Bicol, Southern Luzon. Yes. James Christmas. Spicy Bicol. Thank you. I only have, yes, that's why you can't afford $1,000. You can't afford my punch. So just so that's why you have beautiful province. I enjoy it there. Yeah. Yes, here Bicol, beautiful place. The view, the nature, something like that. I give you $100,000. Bah. Yeah. Not the spicy. I never try spicy ice cream. Even I'm here, living here in Bicol, never try. Maybe I will try spicy ice cream. Interesting, my God. I know cold and spicy something. Cowbell. Cowbell. What will you do when I go there now? Punch you. I work near Sorsogon back then. Ah, wow. That's great po. A bit neck out. Yeah. I will be neck out, yes. And I'm going to the emergency. And I don't care. My God. Oh, why you love me, Kabel? So fast. And it's weird. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you, 19 million here. Thank you so much. Do you know what is ground and pound? I don't know. Explain it. Eh, Cabell. No, I'm no time to entertain Cabell. You know what? You go to the club and get the girl that you want. You need to pay that girl. And don't me. Oh, punch in the face while I'm on the ground. Ugh, ew. Nyeh. OA. Mig. Okay, young lady, go. You got like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir James. Christmas. Thank you for joining. That's ground and pound. Okay. Thank you for explaining, Megs, but I don't care. Hazana Altonhan. Hazana Altonhan. I don't have time playing. Okay, Megs. Duh. Yeah. Playboy. Oh, punch me non-stop. Mm. Mm. Can you go to beach and well for Marikina and maybe dig it at Les Sardina? Huh? Sir James? Kahit na umiiyak ako. Sir Edgar Cross, hi po. Hi Alex, Sir Alex. Hello, Netherlands. From Netherlands, thank you for joining. That's for guys wanting girlfriend. Ah, okay. Thank you, Sir Alex and Eager Cross. Thank you, sir, for joining. Wow. How's your dad? Oh, thank you for asking, Sir Edgar, because my dad is not yet felt better, but he's fine. Come to the Netherlands. Yes. So when my hubby, I will ask my hubby come to the Netherlands, beautiful Netherlands, Sir Alex. Welcome there. May gulay. Cold here. Tahan mo ako, di magbabago yun. Okay, young lady to third, may apo to bed. She had a long day at beach. Hope you have a great night. Good night from Summer. Thank you, Sir James Christmas, for joining. God bless. Hermosa, hi, Juan. Would you really want to live here in the Netherlands? I don't know, but maybe just visiting or with the hobby or something like that. But living long there is, I don't know, little bit better or he's more comfortable. Little bit better po. Little bit better, Sir Igor Cross. Okay, good. Oh. Hi, Juan. Hello, Juan. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much. Parang lamig na. Siguro cold. Okay. Are you coming to get a vacation? I am too old, honey, 58 years old. It's okay, it's fine for Sir Alex. It's the vacation. How is your man going? He's sleeping now. He's sleeping po, Sir Edgar Cross. but maybe later he when when he wake up, I'm going to sleep because he sleep late. Then me too, I sleep late. Oh wait, I'm excited for meeting him po Sir Edgar Cross. Maybe I have heaters. Sir Edgar Cross, me I have heaters because I'm in love with older than me, but I don't care. So yes, I don't care as long as I'm not doing bad to them. I don't care the people like that. Tahanan mo ako. I'm happy and I'm happy with him. But that's good as long as you're happy and he's happy. That's all that matters. Yes, po, Sir Edgar Cross. I'm happy and hope I make him happy. Something like that. Sule to say, Pak Sule. Sule. Pak Sule, he. Having a haters, but when I look at them, oh, they're not they're not perfect, they're not good. They have a bad sides, but I have no right to judge people because nobody's perfect. but but if you are intentionally doing bad to the person or to others, you're bad, and because you are intentionally. You will. Yes, sponsor Edgar Cross. Thank you so much. Thank you. 33 likes. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago. Igor. Hi, Igor. Where from, Igor? Thank you for joining, Igor. Igor. Thank you for subscribing my channel, Cow Serbia. 34 now. Oh, yes, thank you for the likes, boss. Our Agricos, thank you so much. To those who sending the likes, God bless everyone. Thank you po. Tahan mo ako. Oh, thank you. Thank you for teaching me how to live. Putting me my emotion. I can say The two cats. Two cats, ano, two cats guarding me. May gulay. Hi, Tipox. Shabong. Hi, Tipox Shabong. So not long now until you get to see your man now. Yes. Sorry, Girl Cross. To see my man. 9 days to go. My gulay! My God, I'm excited but nervous po. Hula Hermosa is the band bonita. Hi, Exxon ZDE. Hello, Wanderley Martins. Hi, Wanderley Martins. Have a nice day. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago. Heat Hunter. Hi, Heat Hunter. Hello po. Heat Hunter. Wanderly. And I thought I would be right for you. Can you move your body? Why? Why should I move my body? Maybe you say I done something like that. So you're very happy and very excited, but very scared too. Yes, mixed emotion, something like that, Sir Edgar Cross. Mixed emotion, a lot of happy, excited, nervous. Happy beep 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 beep. How about you, Sir Edgar Cross? Are you already have a jowa or the girlfriend? You already find her? You already find someone? My man is very kind person. We having a age gap, but we are the same vibes. It's very different. We're the same vibes, but greetings from Spain, my beautiful one. With this, if beauty were time, you would be eternity. Oh wow! I really appreciate the compliments. The compliments. Thank you so much. Archie Maldonado. Where are you from? From Spain. Thank you from Spain. Thank you from Spain. Tahanan mo ako, di magbago. God. Always watching myself. My gulay. I'm lurking. I'm lurking myself. I'm confused. What look alike? What it looks like? Oh, hi Fernando. Welcome back. Beauty. Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago. Ay, so what do you have been up to today? I haven't get a girlfriend. I haven't found anyone, especially still looking. Maybe one day, yes, but it takes time. Maybe tomorrow. We don't know the destiny. I think my man is very distant with each other, so that's why. That's good. You're allowed to do that. Yes. Yes. I'm excited to meet my man. Last year is the best version of me. New version of me because of a lots of very difficult facing the life, the decision I made, something like that. It's really new. I'm brave at the age. Yes, that's really true. At the age of 41, the beginning, and it's true. At the age of 41, I made a decision. Big decision I made, and it's having a freedom. Wow, having a freedom, courage, and it's amazing. I can't imagine I can do that. And facing the fear, the challenges, and yes, something like that. Wow. And after that, I found out that it's very good. The result, even if it hurts, at least you face the fear. Hi, Greg. Cheryl, paano pag matalo kami? O di, wala kang allowance sa akin. Parang nagbibigay ka naman ng allowance sa akin. Ang OA ha. Parang nagbibigay ka sa akin na. Huwag kang ewan. Ang kulit mo. Juan G. Santiago. Parang... pag matalo nga kami, halimbawa pag natalo or manalo ka man, ano ngayon? Alam mo, kung may pera ka, ipunin mo para sa future mo. Bata ka pa. Alam mo ba yan? Huwag mo ako intindihin. Kaya ko sarili ko. Isipin mo yung buhay mo. Hi, Jamie. Hello. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Gabing-gabi, gagalit ka. Hindi ako galit. Nag-explain ako. My God. Nagpapaliwanag ako. Kasi nga, naiintindihan kita. Kasi, syempre, bago naman ako napunta sa edad ko, syempre, na-experience ko rin yung mga ganyan. Ito, isipin mo po. Isipin mo yung sarili mo. Walang tutulong sa'yo. Ikaw yan mismo. Kailangan mo maging successful first bago yung iba. Hindi mo sila mahihila pataas pag mahina ka. Kailangan palakas ka. Kasi baka, halimbawa, ikaw rin yung inaasahan para umangat din sila. Kailangan palakas ka kasi mas maganda yung follow the leader. Hi, Sir Antonio. How are you po? Jamie. Thank you, Sir Jamie. Hula hula, buenos dias. Buenos noches. I am Amita. Ano ko yan sa'yo? Jerome Albert Turias. Ito masasabi ko sa'yo. Naintindihan ko yung kagustuhan mong magtulong sa akin, yung ganon. Yung gusto mo akong ma-impress sa'yo. Ano na yun? Given na yun. Kahit wala kang para sa akin, kung anong achievement yung marating mo, kahit saan ka pumunta, ikaw at ikaw yan. So, gawin mo yan para sa sarili mo. Huwag mong gawin yung para dahil lang sa iba. Sarili first, intindihin mo muna yung sarili mo. Sarili first bago yung iba. Kasi kapag inuna mo yung iba, bago yung sarili mo at wala ka pang yung kakayahang sapat na lakas. Tapos kapag ikay advice ko lang kasi ang hirap kapag inuna mo sila tapos kapag ikaw naman tapos wala kang maasahan kundi wala. Ay nako, yung maganda. I can tell that you're very excited and happy to see your man because you have a smile that's bigger than normal and you have a special glow. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Thank you so much. Can you see us like I can see you? Hi, Greg. Where are you from, Greg? Hi, Thomas. Hi, from Denmark. How are you? I'm fine. Thomas from Denmark. Thank you for joining here again. Tell that dog to shut up the hell up. My God, Greg. Jamie, I don't understand what you mean. Maybe I need to United States. Hi, Greg from United States. Thank you for joining here. Jamie, maybe I need to translate on translator. Thank you for the likes. For teaching me how to live, burning me my emotions, but knowing me now when I can't take, there's nothing symmetry, things to you. No time, no space, no heartache, no comfort and grace can stop me from believing that my love you pulled me through. Thanks, John Servando. Thanks to you. How is your friend Jennifer going? She's still single. She's working, Sir Edgar Cross. She's working as for the what they call this, just like the fast food, something like that. Greg, do you make a good dollar on this chat thing? You can send super chat. I can earn. Ouch. For Puppy, he is just voicing his opinion. Hmm? He is just his opinion, huh? Ah, yes. The Puppy. Jamie, I don't understand what you mean. Sorry, Jamie. Great, I hope you make $1,000,000. I hope that if I have $1,000,000, I can build a beautiful my dream home. My dream home and the farm, something like that. Travel the world, just my dream. Putting my emotion. Alright, go. My leg is pain. What did you just to hurt yourself? No, I just massaged my leg because it's hurt. Like I just massaged myself. My legs. I have a large farm, not always a dream. Ah, okay. Oh, you have a large farm. Yes. What farm? Like rice farm? Something like that. Like, what's farm? What kind of farm? Oh, thank you. I'm not to make you tell you I'm sorry. Dreams cost nothing, but they are good to have. Beef, cattle, cow to finish. Oh wow! Do you mean a big farm? Do you have a big farm? That's great, but Jamie, my kulay. Maybe I need to translate it. You are beautiful. Thank you, Norm. Norm. Come up to meet you. Little weight, white, lots of calm, lots of hay, lots of soybean. Wow. So Maybe you're rich there in America because you have a lot of farm. Because because you have a large of farm, you have a farm, large farm. That's why what I mean. Big empty house. Why empty? That's why you said here is small house, but my goodness, lots of people. Big difference. That's why. That's why when I have a visitor, oh my god, no space for sleep over here. Are you USA? No, I'm not. I'm living here in the Philippines. Do you have a family, Sir Greg? It's cold, hindi ko. Are you married? Not yet married, but I'm getting married soon, very soon. American woman, very spoiled, not interested in country life. They want big city life. Oh, really? Why? Country life is very simple, living quiet, and I think it's more comfortable living in the country life. Maybe because different vision in life, something like. But for me, I want like living in the province, having a farm, uh, peaceful life. So what did you say Jennifer was doing working in the fast food shop? Yes. Jennifer working at the fast food shop. That's why po. She's working hard. Hey, have you eaten dinner? Yes, already. Yes, but Mystic Mirage. Already dinner. Excuse me, mommy, but I'm going to hold up from telling you something. Mommy, you're very beautiful. Okay, excuse me, Rich. My God, Jamie, but I'm going to tell you something. What, little girl? I'm a little girl. Good morning. I'm fine, Angelo Martins. How about you? How are you? No, she's not married yet, but she soon will be. I hear yes. Soon, I'm getting married soon, very soon. Thank you so much for the likes and to those who are watching. Yes, country life is a lot better than city life. Yes, for me, it's better than city life for me. But people are different, likes and living something like that. People like living in the city. Some living in country life, province, something like that. Different. Come up to meet you. Yesterday beautiful day currently snowing looking at 6 to 8 inches. Yuck, I hate the snow and cold. Hate snow and cold. Here, sunny here now because summer. Sunny here, summer feels. But now it's getting cold. I don't know why. Yuck, I hate snow and cold. Okay, it's snow and cold. She would be working hard in the first food shop. It's hard work here. Oh yeah, there. Hard, hard work there. I hard work here po. She needs to work. I hate snakes and creepy crawlers worse. So I stay in cold areas. Lol. Okay, it's up to you, Greg. Your life, your roles, your life. As long as she is looking after herself and not overdoing it. Yes po. Yes po, Sir Egor Cross. Oh wait. Ano yun si Papay? Ano ba sabi mo, Papay? Ano ba sabi mo? Hanapin ka na. Mapinito mo talaga. Mapinito talaga, hindi nga ni mapinito. So, pinit, so malamig. So cold. Yes po. Oh, thank you so much to those who hit the likes. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You are secret. Tell me your questions. Jamie, you should see how angry mommy is. She was beautiful. Why say Jamie, huh? It's so cold. When you get married, is it a huge wedding with lots of food? Yes, lots of food. But you can send a gift, Sir Greg. Thank you so to those who hit the likes. Come up to meet you. Prime rib. I love rib and brisket. Huh? What is that? Brisket? What is that? Okay, na Miss Links, naka I like you. What? Not a big fan of a seafood. Ah, okay. Pork. Asal. Hi, sis. My name is John. Hi, John. Pork. We prepare food for pork. Hello, sis. Good evening. We prepare food, pork, different kinds of, not only seafoods. Good evening, there, sis. Good evening. Kumusta? Mercado Bomb. Hi, Mercado Bomb. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait lang. Oh my god. If you want to see her, when you have been born and raised in the country, it's better lifestyle than the city, I think. Yes, po. I think for me, it's better living in the city. Oh, but it's different, different likes. I don't speak Indonesian. It's Beji Chan. Thank you sa likes, John. Magla-likes tapos pabawiin. Equal. Ang OA. Where from? I'm from Philippines. What are you thinking about? Thinking a lot. Ezra, welcome back, Ezra. Where are you today? I'm Philippines and I'm at home. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. I'm thinking about everything, like in the future, something like that. Pretty face. Thank you, Ezra. Good morning to you. Come up to meet you. Thank you, Baby Chuan. You're worried about the future? Yes. Yes. Oh. Sarado mo na ito, Kuya Gap. Kuya.
May message pa ako.
Oh. I'm at home. I'm at home. I know that lip. Yes, po. Don't worry about it. Oh, thank you, Ezra. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Are you sleep? Yes, I'm here in the Philippines. Come up to meet you. Dapat turun daw ko ya. Oh, what is time here? Oh, 9. It's only 9. There you go. I hope you ask me question. What is your question? What your question? Ano nito? Ano parang nalita? What is your question? Ask the question. What is the question? Kagabahan natin na ano. Kaya gaban tamang daw ko ata tabi. Tapos ang ulunan. I'm not single. I'm not single. Sorry. Bata. Tidak ganti di. Come up to meet. Ngay gulay. You need to sleep, yes. Oh, may gulay. Ano? Ha? March 12. Sagsabi. Wala ka man sa. You need to make yourself a nice hot drink and relax a bit. Just Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Just for you, my friend. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sir Edgar Cross. God bless you po. Come to me, yeah. Wala kang ang lamig. I'm so cold. I feel cold. My God. Gab. Sige na, Gab. Ano na kita sarado mo na. God bless you too. Thank you, Sir Edgar Cross. Have a nice day. Where you from? I forgot, Sir Edgar Cross. Where are you from? Australia, I think. I don't know where. Samsung. Wait, yeah. Not wait. Natitibo. Natitibo. Natitibo, very nice. Thank you, Natitibo. Where are you from? John Daya. John Daya. John Daya. Okay. John Daya means widow. I'm not widow. Yes, I'm right. From Australia. I'm not widow, Samsung. Come up to me, yeah, what state? What state of? Danji, hey Danji, how are you? Samsung, I'm from Philippines. Hi, old man lives, welcome back. Thank you for joining. Have a nice day. God bless. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Same to you, sir. All my lives with you. Have a nice day po. Mm, I'm not married. Okay. Me, I'm getting married soon. Samsung. Wait lang. I don't want to marry you, Samsung. I am really jealous. Why? Why you feel jealous? Why you feel jealous? What happened? Don't worry, in 9 days you will be able to have a big cuddles and keep warm. Yes! Sikya. What does mean Sikya? Thank you, sir. Igor Gracia. Big cuddles. The big cuddles and keep warm. You getting married. Because I'm getting married. Yes. You need to be happy with me because, yes, finally. My God. I finally found the one to make my life complete. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone. I am happy for you. Thank you, Ezra. Thank you so much. The one who share my life. I finally found the one. Every night. 'Cause whatever I do, just try to be you. My life has just begun. I finally found. Thank you so much. 6 people in the house. Oh my goodness. I finally found someone. 'Cause whatever I do. If I was there, I will marry her straight away. Oh, straight away. Straight away. Grabe. It's not easy to marry here. Ah, may gulay. Gab, ano na ito may ano? Garam, hi Garam. Kaluya man, Gab. Nakalay ba kung maribukong ka? You don't need big wedding. Why? You know what? It's my dream having a wedding, getting married, something like that. Every woman's dream about that. So why not? Why not coconut? Pandoy, hi Pandoy. So it won't be about 9 o'clock over there, would it? 9 o'clock, yeah. Yes po, 9 o'clock. 9:19 in the evening. Why not coconut? Thank you to those who sending the heart. Thank you so much. Alipin ka. Thank you sa nagsasend. Pandoy. Hey, Pandoy. Where are you from, Pandoy? Ang cute pa, Pandoy. Ba't ganun? Thank you sa heart. Sa likes. Thank you sa likes. Halo-halo yung reaction na may nag-celebrate, may tumatawa, may hearts. I really appreciate the hearts and then the Pandoy, what do you want to say something, Pandoy? You want to say something? You haven't been married before? Yes. Haven't never been married before, even before. First time getting married. Ezra. Hey, sa larking. So, nagla-larking. Hi, shout out to you. I need to end the live because I try to take a nap. Thank you for joining. God bless everyone. I fall sleepy now. Thank you so much. Bye pa. Have a good sleep. Later, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir David. Golden Eagle. Thank you so much for the likes. 50 likes. Thank you, Sir David, for the likes. God bless. See you next live. I need to sleep because I need to be at the rest. God bless everyone. Thank you. Love you all.